Hey guys, DCTV Entertainment here, and I'm making a tutorial video on how to disassemble the Asus, let's see, X53U model, because if you have this specific computer and you have to, laptop I should say, and you have to take it apart for whatever reason, this is just to teach you how to disassemble it. So we'll get right into what you need. I would recommend a kit like this if you can get one or already have one to disassemble it, because it's got it's kind of like a glasses screwdriver kit, but this would be a good thing to take this laptop apart because it's got all these tools in there. Or this is a little bit tricky to use, but if you guys have one of these mini screwdrivers, you get them in little tech deck packages that you get from Walmart. They're like little skateboard toys or whatever. Get this in there to change out the axle or the wheels. So yeah, this can be used for the screws because they're pretty small, but it would be highly recommended if you could get one of these, or if you have one. And to pop the case open, simple butter knife, whatever you have to open it up. So we're gonna flip this laptop over here. Let's see what's behind it. Okay, so we got these two main panels here. We're gonna start with opening these up. So I'll open this. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one. Okay, so we're just gonna open this up here. Reason why we opened the two main panels first, because we just get a sneak peek what's inside of them. And in this one, I do believe it is the RAM, like the RAM sticks. And this one, you might have to pop it open with a butter knife as well. It's got clips, so just pop that open. So here are the two RAM sticks right here. Two different ones. Not too sure why they're different, but. And now we'll open up this panel here. We'll just pop this one open now. And then here is the hard drive. The screw's still in. There we go. Whoops. Okay, we'll take this screw out, place it here with the other one, and we'll just take this panel. Where did I put the other one? Oh, right here. Okay. So yeah, here's the hard drive. 320 gigabyte hard drive. We'll just pop this out here. We need to remove it anyway. Here's the hard drive. We'll just put that over here. Now, so we got that out. We'll just start removing all these holes in here. Oh yeah, here, this long strip of plastic here is the battery. So there's two switches on each side. So we'll flick this one right, that red is showing that it is unlocked. And now we'll just push this one to the side on the left, and then this battery can just slide right out like that. So here's the battery. And put this right here. Okay. So battery's out. We don't need to worry about that now. And now we'll just take out all the screws over here. And we need to take out the disk drive. So you could just put your fingernail or whatever, take it out. It should just slide out. Just like that. So here's your disk drive. We'll put it over here. Alright, now I'll just start taking all the screws out. And yeah. Make sure you don't lose any of these screws, because you'll have to go to Best Buy or whatever you guys have, and have to go pick up a pack of these. I'm not too sure how much that would cost. Now, I do also believe you could upgrade the RAM in this laptop. So if you ever wanted to upgrade the RAM instead of spending almost $1,000 on a brand new laptop, you could just, oops. You could just buy new sticks of RAM for it. To take out some of these screws, you will have to kind of tip over the laptop, which is what I'll do after I'm done unscrewing most of them. I'll unscrew this one. I did. Okay. There's a lot of screws in the back of this laptop. Some of them are hard to take out. And if you are struggling and it is not coming out easier, I suggest stop unscrewing and improvise, like, because you'll strip the screw and you'll have to go get it taken out by somebody. And yeah, you could probably grab a rubber band if you have one. That'd be useful. You put it at the tip, the screwdriver here, and then it will give it grip in order to unscrew it. So if you ever have a strip screw, try that, and if that doesn't work, you'll probably just have to drill out the middle. And yeah. So for this video, the quality may not be the best because I am recording with my iPhone 6s, and I got it on 4K right now at 30 FPS, but I think it doesn't look too bad. It's pretty nice imaging. But if the quality is not the best, please don't hate. And so now I got all these screws unscrewed on the back of the plastic, but right where you taken out the disk drive, there are two screws there and there. So you have to unscrew those as well in order to take the plastic off. And those come out pretty easy. They're little tiny screws. See, it took me like, what, 2 seconds to unscrew those, so I'll be back real quick. I just need to go tip this laptop over, get the screws out. Okay, most of the screws are out, except for one here. There we go. I do believe all screws are out, and there is also one more screw right in there. You'll have to take out that, take that one out as well. So let me just do that real quick. And just once you think you're done unscrewing all the screws, just double check all the holes, because you do not want to break the plastic on the back of the laptop. So I'm just placing the screws here nicely so I don't lose any. So I do not want to lose any. Nor do I think any of you would. Alright, time to pop off the back of this. So, grab the old butter knife. And start taking it off nicely. Try not to damage the edges, I know I do. But, whatever. There we go. Should start hearing it pop. You can just grab it with your hands, popping it off nicely, nice and gently. Well, as gently as possible. Just pinched myself. Actually, I think I may be missing something. That's right. So what you want to do now, after you took all the screws out, flip the laptop over, and the keyboard. You want to pop out the keyboard. you will see inside the keyboard there are these little black pins that are holding down the keyboard. You just want to pop those out. Keyboard should just pop up real easily, real nicely. See? Not that hard. There we go. Just be able to flip it over. There we go. Got the keyboard out. Flip that back down. You want to grab this blue tab here. Unplug it. Grab this black one. Just pull it out of these two things there. What you want to do? Unscrew all the screws that are in here. There should be 1, 2, yeah, 3 screws. Should be in here. Here's number 1. Number 2. These ones aren't too hard to take out either. And number 3. There we go. Those are taken out now. Okay. We should just be able to pop this. Yeah, there we go. That's why. Alright, guys. All you have to do, go in there, unscrew those 3, and this should pop off like a charm. Alright, so now we have the inside. Here's the motherboard. And yeah, so we'll have to unplug this black band from the motherboard. It's easy to unplug. And there was also this black tab over here. You just have to pull up on it, and it should detach from the motherboard like that. If it's giving you a little of a hard time, just wiggle it a bit, loosen it, should pop off. Now there is a screw, top left of the motherboard. It has an arrow pointing to it. All you want to do, just unscrew that. Now we have to flip it over here, right beside the RAM sticks. There's a plug in there. You just gotta take that out. It's kind of tricky to take out, actually. Just gotta kind of work it out. There we go. It's kind of loosened out a bit. It's kind of hard to take out, but there's also these 2 wires over here. You just got to unplug. 2 small little wires, but this one's tricky to unplug. Gotta kind of get a butter knife or something in there. Kind of 2 objects in there if you can. Pull it over its plug. Hard to get out. There we go. You just have to work it over its plug. So all we shall have to do now, flip the laptop back over, bring up the screen, motherboard should come out. There we go, motherboard's out. Have the sticks of RAM. If you are replacing the RAM, right there. There are clips here on the sides of each stick to hold the RAM in place. You just gotta pull those clips out. RAM should pop up like this. See, now it's popped up. Just gotta bring it up, wiggle it out. There we go. There's one out. Do the same for the other. Boom, pops up. Just wiggle it out. There we go. So that's basically it for disassembling this. We could go into specs and take this out and all that kind of stuff. There's a plug here, so if you want to take this out, the plug's right here. Just pull it out. Real simple. Let's see if we can't. Nope, the screw is in there. Oh, never mind, we got it. There's a screw. Put this like right here. There's one on this side as well. Mine is taking a lot of pressure to get it up. Oh, there we go. Number 2. So there's one here, right here, and one here. Just unscrewed this one. Now there is one right here inside of it. I'll unscrew that one. This part here is already taken out. Wow, okay. These screws here have, like, you need a lot of pressure to take those out. Because I'm giving it a lot of pressure and they still aren't coming out. I just don't want to strip them. Got the fan out. There we go. You can replace that too as well, I believe. Yeah, you can replace that. If you wanted to, you could actually upgrade this computer quite a bit. But yeah. So if you could take this out, you'd be able to replace this if you had to. And this right here, this chip, you could take this screw out, replace that as well. That is not coming out for me either whatsoever, and there is a lot of pressure being applied there, and that is not coming out, so I do not want to strip the screw. So yeah, that's about it. Basics of disassembling the Asus X35U series. It is it's not a bad laptop. It's got Windows 7. Like I said earlier, 320 gigabyte hard drive. It's not a lot. May get the job done for just searching the web and stuff like that. It's got these two here these two sticks of RAM. It's got 3 gigs of RAM in this laptop. So this blue stick is a 2 gigabyte RAM stick, and this green one is a 1 gigabyte RAM stick. I was wondering why they were 2 different colors, but now I know. One's 1 gig and one's 2 gig. Alright, thanks a lot. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please comment, please leave a like, comment below what you would like to see next, and if you would like to subscribe, that would be deeply appreciated. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more content. Thanks.